you finally settled into your new home because you've relocated, but your current home needs to be sold. Whether you're relocating from Northern Virginia to Richmond or the Western Slope or anywhere in the United States or actually globally, you need someone, a realtor, who makes sure that the house that you're listing stays on track and is well managed. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do that for my relocating sellers. Hi, I'm Kristin Borostyan with eXp Luxury Division, and I specialize in helping homeowners who are looking to sell their house. They're relocating to another area. They want to move out. They mainly have the house vacant, most likely. They want that smooth transition into their next chapter. And my goal is super simple. I want it to feel organized, stress-free, and as seamless as possible because you don't need the stress. You've already moved once. Let's get this house sold so you can truly move on. And one of the biggest concerns I hear from my relocating sellers is, Kristin, once we've moved, who's watching the house? How do I maintain this when I'm so far away? And that's a great question, and it's a great problem to solve because you've already started your new life somewhere else, and your home sale still is very much in motion, and you've got to get it sold. Showings are happening, buyers are touring the home, inspections need to be coordinated, appraisals have to be scheduled, maybe some repairs come up while the home is vacant. Then there's the final walkthrough and closing that all need to happen while you're somewhere else. That's where I come in. I stay actively involved throughout the entire process. I monitor showings and gather feedback from buyer agents so we know how the market is responding. I coordinate once we have an offer for all the inspections, and I communicate with you if anything unexpected comes up. If repairs are requested or an issue needs attention, we discuss your options together so you can make an informed decision on what to do next without any unnecessary stress. Coordinate with all the parties involved, the buyer's agent, the lender, the title company, any contractors we may need, and I make sure that everyone is working towards the same goal, getting your home to the closing table as smoothly as possible. You're never going to be left wondering, well, what's happening with the house? Because I believe communication is the most important part of my job. I want you to know what's going on at all times. But I also am going to set some realistic expectations of what my job is versus what you as the homeowner are going to need to stay involved in. And while I heavily manage the sale, I'm not a property manager. There are a few responsibilities that remain with the homeowner while the homeowner is still the owner of the vacant property. You're going to want to make sure the home stays clean and ready for showing. So we may have to, coordinate some housekeeping. Lawn care, cutting grass, landscaping, all needs to continue because your home needs to maintain great curb appeal at all times. Utilities are going to need to stay on. And as the seasons change, you're going to want to have arrangements for leaf removal, snow removal, things like that. And one piece of advice I give every relocating seller is to have that trusted neighbor, friend, family member check on the house from time to time when either I'm not here, another agent's not here, or an inspection isn't happening, because we want to make sure that everything is going the way it should, that it gives everybody this peace of mind that, hey, we've got a lot of eyes on a vacant property, and any one of us can let you know if there's anything unusual happening, if a package somehow gets delivered here, and we want to confirm that everything looks the way it should be. It's just that level of protection that helps keep your investment safe while it's on the market. When everyone works together, the neighbors, the agents, all the people who are maintaining the house, everything goes smoother. And my job is to guide the sale, communicate with you every step of the way, solve any problems that might arise by giving you the solutions for those, and keeping everything moving forward. Your job as the seller who has relocated is to maintain the home while we're doing all of this and it's vacant. And together we create a team that gives buyers confidence and helps you achieve the best possible outcome. Relocating is already a major life change. You're unpacking boxes, you're learning a new community, maybe you're starting a new job or settling into retirement. The last thing you need to worry about is what's happening at the home that you're trying to sell. That's why I make it my mission to be your eyes, your ears, and your trusted advisor throughout this process. This is what I love doing, and I have got a system that works really well. So if you're planning on relocating out of Northern Virginia, Richmond area, which I'm now transacting in, and you're looking for someone like me to help you navigate this, get from point A to point B with a clear process, then I'd love to work with you. I hope this video was informative. I hope that maybe you understood the difference between what a realtor does when a home is vacant and you've relocated. And if this is right for you, please reach out. Subscribe if you want more information like this. And if you are thinking about selling, get me in there early, because preparation for a vacant house takes a little bit longer than if you were living in it. And I want to make this the easiest transition that you can have. So thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.